Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to hide website in Shopify. So simply in order to do this, just you have to install the application here. So just go to the private Shopify app store, and when you open the app store, just you have to find the app B2B private store. So now just here you can see we have already this app, so just click on install and now wait for a few seconds. Our app is being installed. So you have to understand that in order to hide the website in Shopify, you need to buy a package, because this app allowed only premium customers to hide website in Shopify. So you have to buy the package. Just simply you have to select the credit card or PayPal option. So in this way you can hide website in Shopify.